Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be talking about how to promote Digistore24 affiliate link via other platforms. Now, so many people are doing affiliate marketing, but some they find it difficult to navigate around the affiliate marketing stuff. You find out that yes, affiliate marketing pays. Yes, affiliate marketing will make you earn a lot of money. But then if you don't do it the right way, that will not be possible. So what are the right ways that you can do affiliate marketing? Somebody may ask. Well, the right way would be for you to figure out the niche that you want to deal on. When I talk about niche, I mean what topic would you want to treat when it comes to affiliate marketing? Now, when you are sure of the topic that you want to talk about, you will not be able to find products relating to that topic, because affiliate marketing is all about you promoting other people's product, and in return you will get paid your commission. Everybody happy. That's the way it works. So if you're sure of the niche or the topic here and you figured it out, now the next thing to figure out would be, what platform do you want to sign up for affiliate marketing? What I mean by what platform is, what programs do you want to join? Like, is it Digistore24? Is it ClickBank? Is it CJ affiliate? Is it Stanstore affiliate? There are so many affiliate programs out there. It depends entirely up to you which one you want to sign up for. Now, another thing you might want to figure out is, do you want to lean on the side of digital products or physical products? There are platforms that they deal on physical products. Like if you go to a platform like Amazon, you find out that they deal on physical products. But if you go to a platform like Digistore24, ClickBank, they deal on digital products. So you have to figure out, do you want to concentrate on digital products or physical products? Now let's say you have decided you want to concentrate on digital products. You will not be able to decide which platform to sign up for. Remember, you would have to sign up to an affiliate program. So you figured out whether physical or digital products, you figured out what platform you want to sign up for, you would have to go ahead and sign up to the program. Now, when you sign up for the program, I'm going to take you step by step now and show you how you can actually find the product that you want to promote. Now, when you find the product, it doesn't end there. You would have to think about, how are you going to promote that product? So now you have decided on the product. How do you promote the product? So you log into your Digistore24 affiliate program, and on the platform, I'm taking you step by step now on how you can actually get your link to promote. So when you log in, you will see where it says marketplace here. Now on marketplace, you check on the left hand side here, you can see all the products there. They are the digital products on this platform. So if you check, you can sort it by popularity. Now you have to select, let's say we want to promote product on health and fitness. So I'm gonna go with this weight loss product here. You can see the earnings is around 89.89 and is 75% commission for this product. Under it, you see where your affiliate link is there. Yeah, so this is the promo link. You can see the moment you click on it, it generates your promo link. So you copy your promo link and you go to whichever platform that you're using to promote your link. Yeah, so this is the way you get your promo link. You see, so you can see the average is $120.17. The earnings sells around $89.89, and yeah, you can see a lot of information there. This product was created 2 years ago, guys. Cancellation rate is 7.6, which is good, because you have to think about the cancellation rate of the product as well. the cash conversion is 3.0% of this product, which is quite okay, but you just have to give this a chance. Do you understand? You just have to. So it is so if you go to their affiliate support page, you will get a lot of information on this product. Now when you go to the support page, the information you get, there are so many of the platforms that will allow you to use the information you get there for you to create your own promo. Like if you're promoting on a different platform, you can use their landing page, you can use their banner, you can use the pictures there. You can actually even use the email swipe they have there. So that is why before you promote, it's good you go through the affiliate support page and see the kind of support they have for their affiliate marketers. Now, when you've copied the product link, the next thing is, where do you want to promote the product link? That will take us to the second stage, which is you can either use TikTok to promote, or you can use YouTube, you can use Instagram, Facebook, and all that. All those social media platforms, you can use them to promote organically or through ads. So if you want to promote via organically, that means you have to create content around the product to promote. But if you want to create ad, that means you have to pay to place the ads to promote the product, you see. So the next part of this video is I'm going to be giving you tips on how to actually go about this. Now, you've created your affiliate link, you've copied your affiliate link. So what is the ways, or what are the ways you're going to promote this affiliate link that you have copied from Digistore24? Remember, you don't have to go with Digistore24. You can sign up with any other affiliate program out there. It depends on your choice. But like we said, Digistore24, they deal on digital product, but you can also decide to go with Amazon that deals with physical product. Now you would have to, after you had copied your link, look for a platform that you can use to promote the link. Platforms like Pinterest, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, any social media platform of your choice. The thing is, if you want to promote via Facebook, how do you go about that? The way you promote via Facebook is you would have to join groups based on your niche. Like the product we copied, the product link that we copied is on fitness and health. So if you're joining groups to promote the link of that product, you would have to join the groups that are talking about fitness and health. And when you go into the group, you have to be active in the group. What do I mean by being active? You have to ask questions, be ready to answer or respond to people's questions. The best way is for you to be out to give value. When you give value, people will trust you, people will like you, and people would buy whatever you are selling to them. But if you don't give value and you just throw your affiliate link into the groups, people will not want to check it out. But the moment you keep giving value, they know you have their interest at heart. So when you eventually post your link, people are going to click on the link to check out what is there. So that is how to promote using Facebook. And how do you promote using Pinterest? Pinterest is a visual platform. Is flamboyant, is colorful. So for you to promote using Pinterest, you would have to create what is called a pin. Now when you create a pin, you would have to go to a platform like Canva and design your pin. Make it colorful, beautiful, and relating to the product you're promoting. Like if the product is on health and fitness, let the pin revolve around that topic of health and fitness. Use pictures to portray, to show what the product is all about. Now when you create the pin, you cannot just take the product link and post it directly onto Pinterest. If you do that, your page is gonna be in trouble. So what you would have to do is you would have to go create a landing page, or you create a blog post. So for you to create a blog post, you can head over to ChatGPT and get ideas, or ask ChatGPT to write up a blog post for you relating to health and fitness, and then you give the topic and make it specific. You have to elaborate on what you want so that you get a better idea. The more information you feed into ChatGPT, the better results you're going to get. So when you've done that, ChatGPT is going to come up with title, description, and the body of the text, or the body of the blog itself. And then what you need to do, you copy that and head over to medium.com and create a page there. What I mean by creating a page, you sign up to the platform, because you're going to use medium.com to write your blog. So when you've written your blog in medium.com, you're going to embed the link of the product you just copied into that blog. Yes. So when you embed it into the blog, you copy the link of that blog post. You go back to Pinterest and post it, that link. So when you paste the link there, you post, you just finish you creating your ideal pin, and you pasted it. So anyone that gets to Pinterest sees your pin, clicks on your blog post, it will take them straight to medium.com, where they will read the blog. So when they read the blog, your link is already embedded into that blog post. So if they click the link, it will take them to the product page. Now when they get to the product page, if they buy the product, that is how you will get paid a commission. So that is how you promote using Pinterest. You can also promote via TikTok by creating a landing page. Landing pages like bio link, like Linktree, So when you create such landing pages, you embed your affiliate link into the landing pages. Now you copy the link of the landing page and paste it on TikTok as your website. So when you paste it on TikTok as your website, it will show under your profile picture on TikTok. So anybody that clicks on that, it will take the person to your landing page. They will see the product. So when they click for the product link on your landing page, it will take them straight to the product page, and there they buy the product, you get paid your commission as an affiliate marketer. So that's how you promote using TikTok. Now you can also promote using Instagram, using YouTube, and every other platform out there, depending on the one that you want. So let me know what you think in the comment section. Which platform do you think is ideal for you to promote? Are you gonna try this? Affiliate marketing is the main thing, guys. I cannot emphasize it more than this, but it's something that you would have to try for you to believe and understand what I'm talking about. So give it a go and let me know what you think. And once again, thank you for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed, please do click on the subscribe button and give me a subscribe. Don't forget to like and give me a like for this video, and don't forget to click on the bell notification so that when please do click on the subscribe button and give me a subscribe. Don't forget to like and give me a like for this video, and don't forget to